Hello! This is Bethany from Joyful Habits. For Christmas this year, you surprised me with the best gift, 1,000 friends. Christmas Eve night, the Joyful Habits channel reached 1,000 subscribers, and I was shocked. A year ago, when I picked up my cell phone camera and decided on a whim to record a video of my Thanksgiving tablescape, I had no idea anyone would actually care to watch and join me on my decorating, crafting, and sometimes very disastrous adventures. So I just wanted to say thank you to you and to all my friends that have taken time out of their busy lives to hang out with me. It truly means so much to me, and it truly gives me so much joy, and I hope that my content does the same for you. I am so excited for the future of this channel and all the ideas I have yet to make into videos. I'll see you soon, and until then, keep smiling. Bye!